Smart Kitties. Today we will be doing another unboxing video, PvP PlayStation. So we have the charger, the user manual, the TV connecting cable, 2 cartridges, and what have we been waiting for? The game box. This is a protective layer, so you can peel that off. So we'll just turn it on. Oh, it turns on. Where's the audio? Okay, audio circle is here. Oh, I guess there are games included with the game, and I guess these cartridges contain extra games. Look how many games are there in this. 99999 in one. We'll just play adventure game. We'll play Double Dragon 2. So I'll tell all the parts. These both are the controllers. This is the screen, and here is the game card input. Here is the cable connector. Here comes the charger and the audio circle, and pretty much that's it. This is 1200. It is very affordable. I bought it from Amazon. Now I'll show you how we'll get connected to the TV. So I have connected it to the TV. So there are 6 options of games: adventure game, fighting game, sports game, shooting game, racing game, and puzzle game. We'll be playing adventure game. We'll play cage. You can even play 2 players if you have an additional controller. It is better than sub game box actually. So now I'll show you after putting the game cards into this input. So if you insert a game card, you should turn it off, then insert it, then you have to turn it on, or else the game will turn glitchy. So I'll show. See, new set of games. It's a random pack. So I'm going to play on the TV with the cartridge on. I'll be playing 2 games. One game with this cartridge and another game with this cartridge. So now we'll play this game. I lost. So we are going to change the game card. So you guys have noticed these games: Dead Fox, Spelunker, Tetris 2, Porter, Chubby Cherub, Dig Dug 2, Cycross, and Pro Wrestling. So now I'll be turning it off and I'll put the new game card so you guys can see the new set of games. This is the new game card. I'll turn it on. See, new set of games has come. Tiny Toon 2, Newman, Star Soldier, Flappy, Lot Lot, Ninja 2, Scoon, Star Duster. So I guess we will play Ninja 2. Ninja 2, it looks like Ninja Hattori. So I'll play. So I guess, yeah. Opponent ninjas will come. Oh no. We have to get maximum number of apples. That's what the game is. You have infinite. Wait, apple. Where do I get that? I guess I'm gonna die now. Wait, does he have infinite life or something? Okay, I died. I'm such a noob in these kind of games. I play like pro modern days games. These all are retro games soon. So now we'll play one more game. Tiny Toon 2. Tiny Toon 2. Oh, I guess this game is about amusement park. So this is ticket booth. High speed. We'll go to train. So we have to jump over the obstacles, and this is for attacking. Okay, I learned the control so quick. Jump. Okay. So there are cakes here. The train is gonna get separated, I guess. Yeah, it is like a lucky escape. Like, see. Why am I so noobs in these games? I only have one more life. Out of 3 lives, I already wasted 2. Wait. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like the video.